Hello everyone, so this is a bit of an update on garage door openers. Our 23-year-old LiftMaster died, and so we got a new LiftMaster 8550W put in with the MyQ Security Plus 2.0. It's a DC belt drive with a battery backup, and so you can see the hook right there. The old one died, unfortunately. It was in chain drive, and so this is our other LiftMaster opener. That one's an AC motor. This one is DC. So I'm gonna grab the remote and I'm gonna show it off for you all. And close it down. Now just to kind of show, I'll open the other one real quick. As you can hear, it needs to be lubricated. And then here's the other one from the exterior. And then here's closing it. Alright, thank you for watching.